Welcome back. This is part of cottage restoration we're doing at the moment, and one of the jobs we had to do is to sort out render on the back above the extension. So we had to hack off all the old render and deep cut into the wall that was partially brick, partially flint, with a 9-inch disc cutter, and set 10-inch lead flashing deep into the wall. After flushing was set, we have used stainless steel helical bars 6mm and polyester resin anchor bond to stitch the wall in sections that had loads of vertical joints, and we have applied a stitching on every 5th, 6th course, 1 meter long each stitch, and after cutting, thoroughly cleaned, dusted off, and then resin has been pumped into the groove with these helical bars. After good cleanup, I have sprayed entire wall with water, wet it well, and then we have mixed render mix for scratch coat, and that was 5.5 parts of sand, 1 cement and 1 lime. And we have pre-cut all the render mesh that will be bedded into the scratch coat. And here is mesh getting bedded into the scratch coat, into the base of the scratch coat. Once it's been bedded, we have applied more render mix over it, flattened it down, and then scratched it up so you can actually cure for following day for top coat. Top coat was a bit weaker mix, so it had 6 parts of sand, 1 cement and 1 lime. And after it's been applied and let cure a little bit, I floated it up with just a standard render float, and then sponged it off on the end.